The next question says 5 rows of 10 identical cells connected in series send a current I through an external resistance of 20 ohm. If the EMF and internal resistance of each cell are 1.5 volt and 1 ohm respectively, then the value of I is. Now the circuit would be simply like, there is 5 battery, actually 10 of them connected in series, and you have got 5 such rows connected in parallel. So something like this. And this entire combination is connected to an external resistance. And that external resistance is of 20 ohm, which we can call it as capital R. Now first thing you need to understand that when the cells are in series, when cells are in series, the E equivalent is actually E1 plus E2 and so on, and R equivalent is R1 plus R2 and so on. So when they are identical, can I say it will just, if n cells are in series, it will be n times E, and R cells in series will be n times R. So we get E for each row as 10 times E and R for each row as 10 times R, because there are 10 cells in series. Now when cells are in parallel, we can say E equivalent is equal to E of each cell, provided each cells connected are of same EMF. But R equivalent is going to be R by N, where R is the resistance of each row. That means over here E equivalent is going to be equal to E of each row, which is 10E, and R equivalent is going to be R of each row by 5, because there are 5 rows basically, and that is going to be 10R by 5. That makes it 2R. So now if I replace this entire circuit with the simplified version, we would get this. The entire EMF is replaced by one EMF and entire resistance is replaced by one resistance. So now if you want to find the current for this particular circuit, I guess it's quite simple and direct. It is E equivalent upon R plus R equivalent, where E equivalent is 10 times E and R equivalent is R plus 2R. Now if we substitute the values, we get I is equal to 10 times E is given as 1.5 upon external resistance is 20 ohm, and 2 times the internal resistance is 1 ohm. So it will be 15 by 22. Now if we simplify this, it will be somewhere around 0.7, but slightly less than 0.7. So the actual answer will be 0.68 ampere.